Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Sea Star and Pearl Oyster face paint in Heartopia Colorful's event. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have applied the face paint to my face and wait, let me show you how we can change the face paint. You're going to go to your mirror and go to the face paint and you're going to apply it. And if you want to get this Sea Star and Pearl Oyster face paint guys, you're going to go to this event, Colorful's event, and then you need to reach the final level of the weekly challenge. Okay, just keep doing the weekly challenge until you reach level 7 for week 3, and after you reach the final level you'll unlock the Sea Star and Pearl Oyster face paint. And for week 2 you'll get diving surface marker boy. I don't know how to read that. And for week 1, you'll get the star diving mask. This is the reward for the week 3. So make sure you complete the weekly challenge for week 3. And you'll unlock this beautiful Sea Star and Pearl Oyster face paint. Thank you guys, and that's how you can get the Sea Star and Pearl Oyster face paint in Heartopia Colorful's event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!